So hello guys, in this video now I'll be showing you how to look for a directional bias from a higher time frame to a HTF time frame. So let's jump into this very chart without wasting much of our time. So on this very chart now we're on a weekly time frame as you can see. So you can try to see the market has been breaking shorter to the upside and later reverse is breaking shorter to the downside. You can try to see this was a break of shorter to the upside, right? And this now is a break of shorter to the downside. Right, so it has two directional bias on this very market right now. From a weekly, it's breaking shoulder to the upside, and now it's breaking shoulder to the downside. All right, this is breaking shoulder to the upside. So let's mark it out. Let's indicate it, and we got another break of shoulder to the upside. As I see right here, and a break of shoulder to the downside. This is also a break of shoulder to the downside. Right. So on this very market, now what do you have to do? You have to go down to your entry time frame and look for a buy. And you can actually see this chart now is 100% clear and it has the break to the upside. And this low now is using this low as the change of character, right? It's using this very low as a change of character. Let's indicate it. This low is representing the change of character, right? A break of structure and a change of character to the downside. So next expected zone for market to get to before selling now is currently this very key level, right? Let's mark it as a key level now. This very key level right here. This very last black candle is the next expected zone for market to get to and start selling down. This will be the target right here. All right. So let's watch out on. Let's go down to the daily time frame and check. Right. So on daily time frame now, you can actually see on the weekly time frame we already have a change of character right there. So the market is now on the downtrend. So anything concerning the uptrend now on the daily time frame is none of our business, right? So let's look for the downtrend right now. A change of character, you can try see it. And the daily now is also has a change of character, which is this as a break of structure to the upside, right? Or you can still use this as a break of structure to the upside, and this as a change of character to the downside. This represents a change of character, right? Can try see. So the market is currently breaking down to the downside now, and the where the market gets to before start selling is currently this around here. It got around here before it starts selling. Can try see, right? This was an inducement. So let's look for our entry time frame right now. So we are still on a daily time frame. Let's remove this. All right. So like I said, on a weekly time frame, the key level I'm expecting market to get to before start selling or dumping now is this very weekly key level right here. Let me indicate it. Weekly key level. Right. This is the weekly key level I'm expecting market to get to first dumping right now. And this will be our next expected zone for market to take out this very low right here. So let's go to the daily now. All right, on the daily now you can try see that right here. On the daily now you have it as an order block right here. So on the daily now it's currently looking as an order block. So on the daily now it's representing as an order block, while on the weekly is representing a key level, right? It has a liquidity resting above. So we are using this low as a liquidity, this higher high as liquidity, right? So our next target is currently this very zone. Our stop loss will be above the other block, right? Like this characteristic, and our target is this very low, which is a good trade of about 1:5. So right now, what you have to do now is to go to a lower time frame as low as 4 hour, then 3 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour time frame. So let's remove this. So the chart is clear now. It's still broken short to the downside. As you can see, this is a broken short to the downside too, right? We broke a short to the downside. So let's check if we're gonna see entry right here. So this, so it has this break of short now. So the chance of price going to up to mitigate this very other block is invalid, right? Because it has a break of short on the downside here. So we'll be following this very break of short, this present break of short right now. And our next zone now would be on this very breaker block right here, this very breaker block. So we'll be using this very breaker block, the last black candle. We'll be using this as our entry, and I try to see this is standing as an inducement right here, right? So our target is still this very low. This is our target right here. So set a trade like this, and is giving about, all right, 4 RR, and it is a good trade, so it will be like this. So let's go down to a lower time frame to look for a perfect entry. Since we are a day trader, we are not a swing trader. So all right, on a daily now, you can actually see the market is respecting this very key level right here. It's reacting from here to the upside, and later it reacted from here to the downside, right? So since the market is still on the downside, breaking short to the downside from a higher time frame to a daily time frame now. So we are currently looking for in it's here. We are not looking for a buy on this very trade, and it didn't break this very high. Can I see? It didn't break this very high. It didn't break this high. It didn't break this high, and it didn't break this high. So we are expecting market to take out this entire low, and so we'll be looking for our entry right here, here. So let's check it out. All right. So we're on the 4 hour time frame right now. On the 4 hour time frame, you can actually see it is a clear break of structure to the downside too. Right, we are expecting market to take out this low, and this is a break of structure to the downside. A break of structure to the downside, and a break of structure to the downside. Also a break of structure to the downside. Break of structure to the downside. Right. And on the 4 hour now, you can try to see it has this as an expected zone for market to get to, this very zone right here. So let's go to 3 hours now to look for our entry. Nothing is there. So on the 2 hours now, we have is standing right here as an other block. Can try see standing right here as another block. So in 1 hour time frame now, can try see also the same as in 2 hour time frame, and it has a break of short to the downside, and this is the break of short to the downside, right? And it has this as an inducement, and our entry will be like this. Be taking our trade like this. Our SL will be above this very high right here. So it's cool at 1:4 risk to reward. So this is how to look for directional buyers. So you can actually see from a higher time frame now to a lower time frame. So if this is the first time coming across this my YouTube, and you want me to do a video like this for you, just drop it in the comment section, the video you want me to do for you. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this video. Also very important, like this video. So see you in the next video, guys.